Okay, last class set concept is over. Next one, Frozenset. The Frozenset data type having Frozenset class చెప్పాము. The Frozenset data type having Frozenset class. We can create a Frozenset object. We can create a Frozenset object by using Frozenset function or Frozenset of iterable object. This syntax is used to create a empty Frozenset. This syntax is used to create a Frozenset with elements. We can create a Frozenset object by using Frozenset function or Frozenset of iterable object. X equal to I am creating an empty Frozenset. Now I am creating a Frozenset object with elements. Here I am passing one string object. That equal to Frozenset of I am taking as a one list object. That list object is also converting into Frozenset. Next one, Frozenset object is a Frozenset object is a immutable object, but it allows only immutable objects. Frozenset object is a immutable object, but it allows only immutable objects. Okay. Now x equal to Frozenset of, we can take any iterable object, but that iterable object contains only immutable elements. We are observing this is a one iterable object, that is a list object, but internally that list object contains all the elements are immutable elements. By mistakenly in that iterable object, I am taken as a one mutable. Then immediately we'll get the error message. Okay, we can take any iterable object, whether it is mutable or immutable, but that iterable object in compulsory contains only immutable elements.
Hello.
Tell me.
So in this Frozenset you have passed list, so there is a mutable.
Okay, here observing very clearly, we can pass any iterable object. List is a one iterable, string is a one iterable, tuple is a one iterable, but the iterable object compulsory contains only immutable elements. This is a one iterable object, that is a list object, but that list object contains all the elements are immutable elements. But second scenario, this is also list object, list is a mutable, that is also one iterable object, but contains one mutable elements. That's why we are getting the error message list.
Many thanks. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we can take any iterable object, whether it is mutable or immutable, but that iterable object contains only immutable elements.
And where we are using this Frozenset application?
Okay, in real time, we are not using frozen set, but this is also one concept, set to frozen set. Set is a mutable, frozen set is a immutable. Okay, next one. In frozen set object,
Hello, sir.
in frozen set
Hello.
object,
Hello, sir. X and Y is the same. X is a frozen set. Y is a frozen set. It is the same.
yeah.
But why you are taking the Y, sir, instead of X?
Okay, this is a one set object, this is another set object. Here element is tuple, here element is list. That is the difference.
Okay, okay, okay.
In frozen set object, insertion order is not preserved. Because of that reason, frozen set object is a non-sequence object. That's why we are getting the output is a different format. Okay, if you want to take the data as a sequence manner, we are taking as a list to tuple. But which situation we are using list, in future we can modify the data, then we go for list. We can future we cannot modify the data. In that situation, we go for tuple. For suppose if you want to take the data as in any order, then we go for set and frozen set. But set is immutable and frozen set is a immutable. Next one, the frozen set object don't allow the duplicate elements. The frozen set object don't allow the duplicate elements. It is similar to set, but difference is set is immutable, frozen set is immutable. That is the only one difference.
Sir, one doubt I have.
Tell me.
So in the frozen set, we are mentioning like frozen set iterable object, right?
Yeah.
So in that, iterable and non-iterable also will work, right? Because non-iterable object means int, float, complex, boolean. That are all non-iterable, right?
Okay, z equal to frozen set of. Now I am taking as a integer, then immediately will get the error message.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yeah, but in your previous this thing, you combined all in one line, right?
This is a iterable.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
List is a iterable, but list contains any number of elements.
Okay, got it.
It may be iterable or non-iterable.
Yeah, that is iterable only.
A equal to frozen set of. Now I'm trying to take in as a duplicate elements. Completed. Next one. Frozen set object. Don't supporting both indexing and slicing concepts. The frozen set object don't supporting both indexing and slicing concepts.
Sir, set would slicing, indexing, index, sir.
Set don't supporting slicing and indexing. Okay, already I'm explaining set object don't supporting both indexing and slicing. The frozen set object don't supporting both indexing and slicing concepts. Okay, this is the example for indexing. This is the example for slicing. The Frozenset object allows both the homogeneous and heterogeneous data. The Frozenset object allows both homogeneous and heterogeneous data. Both homogeneous and heterogeneous. A equal to Frozenset of. Now I am taking as a tuple format. B equal to Frozenset of A and B are the homogeneous and X is a heterogeneous. Homogeneous means all the elements are similar type of elements. This is the example of heterogeneous. Completed. Frozenset object support nested Frozenset mechanism. Frozenset object supporting nested Frozenset mechanism. Frozenset object supporting nested Frozenset. Okay, nested Frozenset means a Frozenset object inside another Frozenset object. A Frozenset object inside another Frozenset object. Completed. Next one, working with functions. Working with functions. Now length of A, minimum of A, max of A, sum of A, sorted of A, reverse equal to true. We will get the error message. Completed. Next one, working with Frozenset class methods. If you want to display all the available methods with syntax and description by using help function, or if you want to display only method names, at that time we are using dir function. with the help of Frozenset. Now these are the Frozenset methods with the syntax and description. I want to display only method names. dir of Frozenset. Only these methods are available. Okay, only one normal method is there, that is a copy method. Next remaining methods are all set operations. Now observing very clearly,
Hello, sir.
you tell me.
Sir, help frozen set dir frozen set different ఏంటి సార్ అర్థం కాలేదు.
The dir function to display the all the available Frozenset class method names.
Okay.
I want to get this format, only method names.
Okay.
Help function to providing each and every method. What is the description about that particular method? Everything is provided. This is the help function. Now b equal to simply a dot copy. Completed. Now observing very clearly mathematical set operations. Now I'm taking as x equal to Frozenset of and y equal to Frozenset of x data and y data, x dot union of y. Now what is the output? Union operation to return all the unique elements from, that means common elements from the given set of objects without duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, union operation means we are using R operator. Next one, intersection, x dot intersection of y. Intersection means it return the common elements. What are the common elements? 3, 4. Now x and y. Intersection means and operation. Now the difference means x dot difference of y or x minus y. Y dot difference of or y minus x. Symmetric difference x dot underscore difference of y or x cap y or x minus y union y minus x. Set operations. Now here I am taking as A equal to one Frozenset object. B equal to Frozenset of C equal to Frozenset of now A dot is superset of B. At the same time, B dot is subset of A. A dot is superset of C dot is subset of okay, already in the previous class, these methods already explaining union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, superset and subset, and disjoint sets. Okay, if you know already is superset or a subset, we can directly execute. If you don't know what is the purpose of superset and subset, simply by using help function. Simply help of Frozenset of class name, method name for suppose union. Now it is providing union description. Return the union of sets as a new set, all elements that are in the either set. Next one, help of Frozenset of for suppose is a superset. Okay, report whether the set contains another set. Here, my A contains another set means B. That's why A is a superset. At the same time, B is a subset. X equal to Frozenset of Y equal to Frozenset of and Z equal to Frozenset of now X, Y, Z. I want to check whether X dot is a disjoint of Y. Disjoint means there is no common element. X dot is a disjoint of Z. Y dot is a disjoint of Z. Okay, disjoint sets means there is no common element. Okay, all of you completed previous class assignment questions, assignments. You write a program, take the input as a list or array to return the second maximum number. Second maximum number from that list. without using any ascending order or descending order. Like sort method, sorted functions. Okay, don't using these methods manually to find the second maximum number. For suppose I'm taking as array. Okay, don't performing any ascending order or descending order operation. Take one list and to find the second maximum number.
Sir, we can use max and remove, sir.
Don't using any built-in functions.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, max remove. First we can find the max function. To find the maximum number, next we can remove that element. Next maximum finding, that is the second maximum number. Don't using any max or remove, sort or sorted. Okay, in real time we are using this logic, but as a point of interview time, don't using this logic.
Okay, sir.
At the time of interview, you can implement your own logics.
Okay, sir. That logic is right now, sir.
But this is also right, but don't using this one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next assignment to write a program to find the kth digit of power of given two numbers, A and B, from right to left. Write a program to find the kth digit of power of given two numbers A and B from right to left. For suppose my sample input, for suppose A value I am taken as a 4 and the B value I am taken as a 5. Find the kth digit I am passing to. Now what is the expected output? Okay, first one we can find the power of A and B. What is the result? What is the result? A power B. What is the value? 4 power 5. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. 64 into 4, 256. 256 into 4, 256 into 4. 1024. But my requirement from right to left, which digit I want to finding? Kth digit. That means what is the 2? That means from right to left, what is the second position digit? What is the second position digit? My expected output is 2. For suppose I am taking as a equal to 3 and a B equal to 4 and a K equal to 3. Now 3 power 4. 3 power 4 means 81. But here I am passing K value is 3. That means the K value is always which one? Less than or equal to number of digits of A power B. That means the k value must be which one? Less than or equal to
Length of A power B.
okay. Okay, Saturday I'm explaining all the assignments, previous class assignments. Completed. Next one, dictionary data type. Dictionary data type. Dictionary data type. In Python, the dictionary data type having dict class. We can create a dict object. We can create a dict object by using dict function or curly braces. We can create a dict object by using dict function or curly braces. X equal to y equal to next one, dict object contains key value pair combinations. Key value pair combinations. Each key value pair act as an item in our dict object. Dict object contains key value pair combinations. Each key value pair act as one item in our dict object. Okay. This is a dictionary format. Key colon value. Key colon value. Each key value pair act as a one item. Item 1, dict object contains key value pairs combination. Each key value pair act as a one item. Completed. Next one, the dict object is a mutable object. The dict object is a mutable object, but the keys must be immutable, and the values are either mutable or immutable. The dict object is a mutable object, but keys must be immutable, and values are either mutable or immutable. Next one, in Python 2.x, Python 3.x, from 3.0 to 3.4.x. These versions, dict object act as a non-sequence object. In Python 2.x and Python 3.x, from 3.0 to 3.4, these versions dict object act as a non-sequence object. Okay, this is a Python 2.x version. One dictionary object, one string object I am taking, integer value I am assigning, tuple object, one floating point value I am assigning, one complex number 3j, here I am assigning the list object. Next one, here I am taking as a one boolean value, here I am assigning as a one set object. Next one integer value, I am assigning the one string object. Okay, observing very clearly, this is a key, that is a string object, immutable. This is a key, that is a tuple, tuple is a immutable. This is a complex, that is also immutable. This is a boolean, that is also immutable. This is a integer, that is a immutable. All keys are which objects? Immutable objects. But values are, this is a immutable, this is a immutable, but this is a mutable, this is a mutable, and again this is a immutable. We can take values are either mutable or immutable, but the keys must be immutable. Now here we will get the different order. That's why we are calling as a non-sequence. From Python 3.5 plus versions onwards, the dict object acts as a sequence object. From Python 3.5 plus versions onwards, the dict object acts as a sequence object. Now observing very clearly, same order we are getting the output. That's why we are calling as a sequence. Completed. But suppose here I am taken as a, by mistakenly key I am taken as a mutable object. in our dictionary object, keys must be immutable. But here I am trying to take in as a key as a mutable. The dictionary object keys must be immutable. Here we will get the error message because here I am trying to take in as a key as a mutable object. Completed. Okay, next class we will discussing remaining continuation.